My dear students, I am going to explain you about diary entry. It's a very important part like short story or story writing. In the diary entry, there are few fundamentals which we have to take care. These fundamentals are how we have to write a diary entry. First and foremost point is diary entry is always written in an informal manner. Okay, informal manner, but it follows a pattern. First point. Second point, in diary entry it is written in the first form using the past tense. You have to use the first form and using the past tense. Third important point, diary entry begins with the day of the week, the date, the year on the left hand side of your sheet. Below that you have to also write the time. After leaving time, after that you have to leave one line and write. You have to always start the diary entry with the greetings like dear diary. In diary entry, the next point, the fourth point, in the diary entry you have to be highly informal. You have to give descriptions. The stress is more on emotions rather than the actual findings. Sixth point, all the events which happened in the day, like the diary entry you mostly write in the night. You follow it in a chronological manner, so like what happened in the morning, then in the afternoon, then in the evening, like that. In this you have to make diary entry very interesting by giving your views as a writer in an expressive manner, your emotions. And finally, you should also tell about the future, what you hold about the future. Secondly, seventh and eighth point, diary ends with the person writing his or her first name at the bottom. Very importantly, in diary entry you have to make sure that the word limit is between 100 to 150. You should also make sure you are expressing yourself in an emotional manner rather than don't go into the theoretical part. You should try to pour your outpourings of emotions into the diary. It seems that you are attached with the diary. Your replica, what had unfolded throughout the day, you have expressed it emphatically in the diary. Another very important point, diary is written in the past tense only. It follows a proper format. These were some of the salient points of the diary entry, and in this you should write short sentences in different paragraphs and give it a view. So these are the some of the main important points in diary entry, and here I am zooming it. It is always written in first person in the past tense, and it also involves vivid description. Vivid descriptions means the things that are unfolded, chronological manners, the writer's state of mind, his comments and events, and expectations about the future. This is always taken careful. So this is about the diary entry, and I will be taking your formal class for that also. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, each and everyone.